Fire protection system maintenance involves regular inspection, testing, cleaning, and repair of fire safety equipment and systems, such as sprinklers, alarms, extinguishers, and detectors, to ensure they operate effectively in emergencies. This maintenance helps prevent system failures, ensures compliance with safety codes, and protects lives and property from fire hazards. eAuditor empowers safety teams to conduct thorough, standardized inspections and streamline documentation. Checklist customization. Create tailored checklists in eAuditor for specific systems. Fire alarm panels, sprinkler systems, extinguishers, detectors, emergency lighting, and suppression systems. Scheduling and permissions. Use eAuditor's scheduling feature to assign inspection tasks with specific due dates based on NFPA 25, NFPA 72, OSHA 1910.157, or local fire codes. Pre-inspection preparation. Ensure availability of tools like manometers, pressure gauges, thermal detectors, and proper PPE including helmets, gloves, and safety shoes. Mounting and accessibility. Confirm all units are mounted correctly, easily accessible, and unobstructed from view and reach. Pressure and condition. Check pressure gauge for green zone indication and examine for dents, corrosion, or leakage signs. Security features. Ensure tamper seals and pull pins are intact and document last service date using eAuditor's barcode scanning. Sprinkler systems. Inspect sprinkler heads for paint, corrosion, or obstruction. Check riser rooms for adequate lighting and ventilation. Read pressure gauges and compare to specifications. Observe pipe hangers for structural integrity. Fire alarm systems. Examine control panels for error codes or faults. Test pull stations and notification appliances. Verify secondary power supply status. Test signal transmissions to monitoring station. Smoke and heat detectors. Clean sensor faces using proper equipment and functionally test using approved aerosol testers. Confirm all zones correspond correctly in the alarm panel. Emergency lighting. Inspect all signs for illumination and legibility. Test emergency lights to verify battery functionality and proper lighting duration. Hydrants and hose reels. Open valves to verify water flow and pressure. Inspect caps, gaskets, and hoses for wear, blockage, or leaks. Functional testing. Perform alarm activation tests and simulate fire conditions to test full system response, including HVAC shutdown and door release mechanisms. Real-time documentation. Use eAuditor to capture test results. Readings, photos of defects, and inspector comments directly into digital forms with barcode scanning. Corrective actions. Assign corrective actions with priority levels, assignees, and expected resolution timelines. Generate automated reports for review. Using eAuditor to conduct fire protection system maintenance inspections ensures systematic, accurate, and real-time evaluations of all fire safety components. The platform helps identify issues early, maintain compliance, and enhance emergency readiness. Trend analysis. Review corrective actions and analyze trends over time to adjust preventive maintenance schedules accordingly. Enhanced safety. Use inspection data for fire safety drills, evacuation training updates, and capital planning for system upgrades. Digital accountability. Promote accountability through digital tracking, automated reporting, and actionable insights for safety improvement.